In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to swap cells in Google Sheets, 2 easy ways. Swapping data in Google Sheets can feel risky because a simple drag or paste can overwrite something important. The key is to use the right approach depending on what you're moving. One method is perfect for entire rows or columns, and the other is a safe, three-step shuffle for individual cells or small selections. Let's walk through both so you can reorganize your sheet confidently. First, swapping entire rows or columns. This is the easiest case. Click the row number or the column letter to select the whole thing. You'll see the entire row or column highlight. Move your cursor to the edge until it changes to a little hand icon. Click and drag to where you want it to go, and release. Google Sheets automatically shifts the other data out of the way, so nothing gets overwritten. This works for formatting and formulas too. They travel with the row or column. If you drop it in the wrong place, just use undo with Ctrl+Z or Command+Z. A quick tip: make sure you're grabbing the header area, not the cells themselves, so you're moving the whole row or column, not just contents. Now, swapping individual cells. Google Sheets doesn't have a built-in swap button, so the safest approach is the three-step shuffle using a temporary parking spot. First, choose an empty cell to use as parking. It can be any blank cell, ideally somewhere you won't accidentally overwrite, far to the right, or even on a new sheet if you prefer. Cut the first cell you want to move and paste it into the parking spot. Cutting moves the value cleanly and leaves the original cell blank. Next, move the second cell into the original location of the first. You can cut and paste, or drag if it's nearby, as long as you're not dragging over anything important. Finally, take the value from the parking spot and move it into the second cell's original position. That completes the swap without losing data. A couple of helpful notes. This shuffle works for a single cell or a small block. Just select the range and treat it the same way, always using a blank area as parking. If your cells contain formulas, cutting and pasting will generally preserve references properly. If references must stay fixed, use absolute references with $signs. And remember, undo is your safety net if something doesn't land where you expected. That's it. Drag for rows and columns, shuffle for cells. With these two techniques, you can reorganize your sheet like a pro without risking your data.